is up, guys? Jamaica getting here. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. I've been off the grid because I never have my PC. My PC that get upgrade for my birthday. Anyway, today we're back again. Today we're doing Miss Cemetery Walks. Big up all the new subscribers them. Big up Rims for the repost. That's the help as well. Big up the artists them who repost the video. Them after them song getting reacted by yours truly. You know. But before I do anything else, just jump into this. Boom. Alright. I'm gonna say Miss Cemetery Walk. Water there. And the lighter is here. So let's jump straight tonight and start the video. Let's go. But you're gonna start without headphone. Oh, you're gonna start without headphone, idiot. Bro, then even have headphone on them ears, man. I said, let's start video, idiot. No sense. Let's go. Is this gonna be like another sad song? Is this a sad song? Cause at the first my ear, I listen to it. Let's go, man. Pause every 10 seconds also. Pause every 10 seconds. You know the score. Over here. We're breaking down, man. Let's go.
It's a new energy in it.
It's about to be some sadness in this. No. It's about to be some true story thing in this. I like true story. I like stories. Let's go, man.
What you know about cemetery walks? Cemetery talks to the gravestone, but the gravestone don't talk. I'm alone with my thoughts. Remember that day up in court?
What you know about cemetery walk? What you know about them thing here? When you lose a loved one and you got the graveside and you sit down and you talk to the... You are talk, but... I don't know if them are listening or what, but you don't know. You are talk, but them just dead there, you know? You talk to the gravestone, basically. You're talking to stone, but... In yourself, it'll make you feel better because you express yourself. You know? You tell the person where you forgot to tell them or where you never get to tell them before them dead, or you tell them how much you miss them. You know? That's how the boss will say another one. Let's go.
Got sent down, now I'm doing tours on the porch.
Yeah, hold on. It's something about sent down.
With my thoughts. Remember that day up in court, got sent down, now I'm doing tours on the porch to the porch. Last hugging my mum was in the morgue, no carriage, no horse.
Ooh, come back again, man. Come back again. Not the first part of this. Him say from basically from the courts to basically to this now. Is a star. Let's go.
From the porch to the porch. Last hugging.
From the courts to the Porsche. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
My mum was in the morgue, no carriage, no horse. I was broke then. Only done what I could afford, real to the core.
Hold on. Has his mum passed away?
Got sent down, now I'm doing tours from the porch to the porch. Last hugging my mum was in the morgue, no carriage, no horse.
They might say, open my mum was in the morgue, no carriage, no horse. That part that puzzled me. Left in the comment section if this guy's lost his mum, if Mrs. lost his mum, yeah? Left in the comment section for me, please, because that part that got on my head.
Was broke then, only done what I could afford, real to the core. Yeah, we give thanks to the Lord. Straight paying another page from this article.
You can feel the pain another one, yeah. You can feel what I'm saying another one, yeah. You can feel it. You can literally feel what I'm saying another one. If you have lost somebody, you know exactly what the boss are saying another one, yeah, dog.
Memory lane in this article. Chapter 1 with my mum in the carnival. Real. Chapter 2 back to school days.
Chapter 1 with the mum in the carnival. Chapter 2 going back to school days.
I had to make a bout from a shoelace, but now my jewels bust down, Tatiana.
Hold on. Why is it making me tune this?
I had to make a bout from a shoelace. But
the man I tell you how poor him used to be. What him have to go through. What him have to go through to make it through a normal school day. Me know them struggle there. Me know about the one shoes where if you really go to church, if you really go to party, when you're allowed to go to party, special occasion, Christmas, not even birthday party you get. And school. You see me? remember them days, the brother, one shooter close, one shooter. So I know the feeling where him I go through, where him I sing about right so I been through it. Walk 3 miles to school, a morning time. Like, you know, me know them struggle there. You see me? Drink water and just go to your bed, go sleep. Me know about them struggle there. No, honestly. Let's go.
But now my jewels bust down, Tatiana like I'm Blueface. Doomsday every Tuesdays. What? HMP with a roommate. Real.
Doomsday every Tuesday. HMP. Irma, this is prison. HMP. Oh, God. Yeah.
Doomsday every Tuesdays. What? HMP with a roommate. Real. Pictures on the wall stuck with toothpaste.
Straight, the struggle is real. The man say HMP with a roommate, picture stuck on the wall with a toothpaste. Remember saying in a prison you have to make what you have to do. You have to make what you have to do. If you don't have certain things, you have to just improvise with something else and make it. Man say I'm stuck picture on the wall with toothpaste. Me never know say toothpaste could have stick thing on the wall. Me never know that. Me learn something new. A lot of people don't know that. Don't lie. Don't lie.
Chapter 3 flashbacks back to 08. Family's nice, no one's died, yeah, it's all great. Nice. I know you want more, here's chapter 4.
Chapter 3 was a good one. Chapter 3, 2008, nobody not dead. Everybody good. Everybody good. But it's not all what you see. Let's go to chapter 4. Let's hear what he's saying in chapter 4, man.
How did I get by? How? 3 months until my mom and dad died. Yeah, my melon was fried. I was really outside.
3 months between his mother and his father dying. Picture that, people. Picture that. 3 months between your mother and your father dying. Your melon are gonna fry. Your brain are gonna fry. Your head are gonna fry. Yeah, you're gonna be in a fucked up situation, a fucked up place. That's the one I'm gonna tell you, no, brother. That is what Mrs. telling the dog. Him been through it, he know it. And him still there strong. The anger when I got through, only him alone know. John know.
I'ma tell you in chapter 5 about cemetery walks, cemetery talks to the gravestone, but the gravestone don't talk. I'm alone with my thoughts.
Yo, the man say, yo, I'm gonna tell you how him get through in a chapter 5. So I'm waiting to hear to go to chapter 5, man.
Remember that day up in court, got sent down. Now I'm doing tours from the porch to the porch. Last hugging my mum was in the morgue, no carriage, no horse.
Basically, him mother passed away one time. Him did poor. Him never have nothing to even give her a good send off, a good funeral. So all them pain that him a got through, him feel them pain the dog.
Was broke then, only done what I could afford, real to the core. Yeah, we give thanks to the Lord.
Bullering that. It's a Birmingham bullering that.
Only done what I could afford, real to the core. Yeah, we give thanks.
Birmingham bullering that. Birmingham bullering that. I recognize Birmingham bullering, man. Let's go. Chapter 5. Let me hear what I got now. Chapter 5 now.
Chapter 5. I was sleeping in the rub car. Why? Because the repossessed mum's yard.
So after his mother passed away, obviously the kids couldn't manage to pay the bills and the rent. So them repossessed the yard. So he was sleeping in a rub car. So tell them thief a car and a sleeping night. Yo, that deep, brother. That deep, dog. Deep.
Had metal round me like a scrap yard. Up early in the morning at the trap hard.
Man say metal they run him like a scrap yard. Scrap metal. Metal they run him. Gun they run him like a scrap yard. You see me? Man wake up early if you start trapping. No time for waste. You see me? No time for waste. Winners watch winning. Losers watch winners. Yo, let's go.
Chapter 6, no pot to piss. No crib, no money, I was begging lifts. Liquor move, blow, chase, bare adrenaline. Nowhere to stay at night.
Man said chapter 6, brother. Yo, him been through it again, man. I tell you, say now if you sleep. Not at all, man. Not have him have your big ride. You see me? One time, night time coming, now know if you sleep, him I dread it. Yo, deep in the dog. That song you have me a weird, brother.
7. Is there a place really called heaven? Cause if there is, why did you take my queen from my present?
Is there a place called heaven? Me personally believe say heaven upon earth, hell upon earth. I say when time you're dead, you're gone to heaven. And brother, yes sir, you're there. Yes sir, you're there. That's how I believe in. Your belief might be different. Hell is on earth, heaven is on earth. So the man a question heaven. Is there? If there was a heaven, why you have to take my queen away from me, which is his mother? Why you have to take my queen away, dog? Like, Come on, brother. Like, what she do, your dog? She have we to look after, brother.
Chapter 8 when your fam hates. They'd rather see you in the bad place. They hate behind your back, but they smile up in your damn face.
Me know about that. When your family hate you, when your family do things to hold you back in life, because them not achieve what them supposed to achieve. Especially the older family them. The older family them don't achieve what them fi achieve. Them try to hold you back and make you dip on the same level. As soon as you pass them out, them start to hate and start talk shit behind your back. You see me? Man been through it, man know it, brother. The family struggle is real. Especially if you live with family, it's real, bro.
Chapter 9, I ask God for blessings. More lessons and he locked off a whole section. Chapter 10, I can't wait to see my mom again.
Oh, when's that going on chapter 9?
Place the hate behind your back, but the smile up in your damn face. Chapter 9, I ask God for blessings. More lessons and he locked off a whole section.
Chapter 9, him ask God for a blessing. And him locked off a whole section. So basically, him run a whole section for himself, you know. So, you know, say things that look up, you know. You see me? Yeah. Anything him do, it'll happen for him, you know. It'll go on.
Chapter 10, I can't wait to see my mom again. Cemetery walks, cemetery talks to the gravestone, but the gravestone don't talk. I'm alone with my thoughts.
Chapter 10, him can't wait to see mother again. That is why the lighter is here, no joke.
Remember that day up in court, got sent down. Now I'm doing tours from the porch to the porch. Last hugging.
Right now, him eat good, him live, him good, you see me? Him do him thing, you know, him alright. Him alright, you know. But him still not alright because him inner him, I beat him bad, same way, dog.
My mum was in the morgue, no carriage, no horse, I was broke then. Only done what I could afford, real to the core. Yeah, we give thanks to the Lord, these painful anthems.
Man said the pain anthem, yo, that song, miss, that track you bad. That track you bad, brother, that track you deep, dog, no joke.
Fame still a madness, how the fuck am I unhappy in a mansion? Mommy never saw success, she was stressed from the badness.
That are the deepest part, brother. You're good, you know, you make money, you know, you're in a mansion, you know, but you're still unhappy. For all of those people who think that money make you happy, money does not make you happy, dog. The man said, I'm living in a mansion, and him still a feel hurt, him still a feel pain. Kawa, his mother never get to see the success, only thing she feel, and the trouble when him used to get in and the pain where him used to call she as a mother. But she still love him, regardless, cause her son. And him still love him mother because I'm queen. Brother, this deep, dog. Read between the lines, dog. Your mother is not here. You cherish what you have. Cherish the people and what you have around you, dog. No matter how big you get, no matter how rich or successful or famous you get. Once you don't have certain people around you, if you see the achievement and see the thing them, you're going to lose, brother. Deep down, you're going to lose. Inside, you're going to lose. But you win from the outside, but you lose from the inside. That's what the boss say, yo, dog.
Painful anthems. Fame still a madness. How the fuck am I unhappy in a mansion? Mommy never saw success. She was stressed on the badness.
Yo, I can feel every word when Mr. say. I can feel every word when Mr. say. This video is a yo. 10 out of 10 for the video. 10 out of 10 for the song and the video.
I said this fame is a madness.
Yo, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, guys. If you like the breakdown of the track, if you like the reaction of the track, the breakdown of the track, please leave a like. Please subscribe if you're new around here. Big up Missing, man. Big up Missing, dog. That was a nice track, bro. That was a touching track, bro. Mist. Big up yourself. I call it Mist of the Mist. Yeah, Mist. Big up Mist, man. Yo, me G. Go and wallet my fam. You live in a mansion now, but you're still unhappy, brother. Enough of we go through them things, the dog. You see me? So, guys, this is how I'm going to end the video, yeah? So, I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Peace, man.